Yet again, I fell victim of another middle aisle bargain. So here it is, the 20 volt half inch impact wrench from Parkside. Is it any good? So this cost $44.99 with the Lidl Plus app from the middle aisle and Lidl. This Parkside 20 volt impact wrench. It's a half inch wrench with a battery and a charger and 4 sockets. So with the box open, we have the impact wrench, the battery, the charger and the 4 sockets. One of these adjusted loose in transit. You have 17, 19 as you'd expect, 21 and 23. These sizes would be specially picked to suit wheels on vehicles. The battery supplied is your 4 amp standard Parkside battery. This one's coming fully charged. That's remarkable. That's actually quite handy for this review. And there's a 4.5 amp charger, which isn't bad. That's actually quite a fast charger, which surprises me. And the weapon of mild destruction herself, the impact wrench. Not to forget, this comes with a 3-year guarantee as well. There's also a instruction manual, which I don't usually even open these, but it's there anyway. It tells you how to charge the battery, tells you what you have, tells you the settings on the machine itself, and they strongly suggest this device is for changing a wheel. So a DIY device as an emergency carry for changing a wheel is how I see this right away, right out of the box. Bear in mind, this is one of the Parkside green machines, which is their very DIY range. This isn't the Parkside Performance. This isn't brushless. This isn't aimed at the professional, any shape, form or fashion. You have to get that into your head when you buy something like this. It does feel poorly balanced. Feels front heavy, because I suppose the mechanical part's a lot heavier and there's basically very little electronics inside it. I better probably get it open to show you. The only way for me to go further with this review is to take the side off and have a look at the internals for you. So here's what I think. Here's my first impression on opening this. How have Parkside cheaped out and give us such a cheap tool at such a low cost? Simply, plastic housing on an impact wrench seems madness. There's a plastic housing, basically. The front it's metal, but the main anvil and gear assembly is plastic. They've give us a sealed brushed motor. That's much older tech than we should be getting nowadays from anybody. Even the cheap brands are using brushless motors at this stage, so it's very outdated, very low cost, and a very short time operation motor. That motor will not last very long. It'll wear out, and you just won't be able to replace it. It just won't be cost effective. Also the switch, it's a basic cheap switch. Functional, will not complain too much. We have this board, and the board has no protection on it at all. You see some of the better brands have some protection from damp, grease, everything. That's just exposed to the world. If anything gets in there that shouldn't get in there, it'll blow one of them resistors right away. A little bit of water, it's all over. Using that outside in the rain, no. But for the price, can we really complain? It's actually impressive that Parkside can cobble together these tools. They do fascinate me. They can cobble together a tool and they can cheap out in all the components. Even all the cheap stuff that they've used and the way they've cut corners How can they produce this tool for so little? Right, that's all back together again. Let's face it, this is only the quality of something you would buy on Temu or something. That's the level you're looking at when you buy these green machines in a lot of cases. These green 20 volt Parkside machines are Temu quality in my opinion. So getting the whole kit for $44.99, was this a waste of money? After looking at the wrench inside and out, what else do we get in the box for that $44.99 besides this underwhelming piece of budget German technology? We got this battery, this 4 amp Parkside 20 volt battery, which retails at $29.99. We got this 4.5 amp charger, which is a relatively fast charger for Parkside, which will charge this in less than an hour. To put it into context, this is the 2.4. These currently retail at $9.99. They are a worse charger than this, so this is worth at least a tenner. So you have, for this and this, you're coming very close to the full price of that $44.99. You're still a fiver to go. So 4 sockets and a box. We'll count them worth a fiver. They're bound to be worth £5. So by that logic, we got this for absolutely nothing. So is it worth nothing? It's worth a little bit more than nothing. This is not a tool for a mechanic, not even a weekend warrior in my opinion. This device only has one purpose in the real world for me. It's only an emergency impact wrench to carry in the back of your car to help you change a wheel along the road should you get a flat tire. To sum up, is this a good wrench? Absolutely not. Is it useful? Absolutely yes. Should you buy it? That's up to you, but there's a lot in the box for the money.